Stop by Five from Below, and they had a ton of great Halloween items and a few other great new things too. They have this little skull wreath right here, so it's like a little plastic wreath, and it has like a ton of little skulls going around to make a circle. You can jazz this up and add a little extra detail to it, make it really cute. These stacked pumpkins, if you don't know, Dollar Tree has these too, but might be hard to find at Dollar Tree Plus, so they have them here at Five Below, and what the bottom one has a little jack-o'-lantern print on it too. They have a ton of candy. So if you're like an early candy shopper, you don't want to wait till the last minute. They have a ton of candy too for like the trick-or-treaters and different things. For Halloween, if you make bags for your kids at school, they have a ton of those. They have like little snacks like pretzels and different things, just a bunch of it. They have the little peeps, and they had a lot of cute ones too. So they have like ghosts, they have like ghosts looking like jack-o'-lanterns, like pumpkins and stuff. They have the little Pez dispensers with all of the holiday Halloween themes on them. They have like kind of like those, like kind of like Day of the Dead to me. They have just a bunch of different candy to pick from. This boba tea jelly beans, thought that was cool. They have you see these cute little ghost dots here. They have a few of these different type ones. So brain mold. Okay, so you'll fill it. I don't know what you fill it with though, and then it'll be have gummies in it. So I don't know if you fill it with ice, like with water, or if you fill it with juice or something. They also have these little ice trays right here. Again, I wouldn't think I would want water. So I don't know. Like maybe you put juice in it and then you have it, but then you wouldn't be able to see the gummies. So I don't know. When you fill it with something and then you freeze it, they have the little kits so you can make like the little cookie graveyard. These right here, they have those at the supermarket too. Those are good. I like those. I like these every holiday season. So if you like caramel, you might want to grab those. Ton of t-shirts. You know, Five Below has a great amount of t-shirts all the time, but they have a lot of great Halloween graphic prints. So they have The Simpsons. They have just regular Halloween ones that you can pick from. This one says "Get in Loser, we're going hexing," which is cute because it's like, from the movie, but it's geared towards like witches and stuff for that one right there. They have just a bunch of different ones and they're nice and only 5.55, just like all of the t-shirts all year round at Five and Below. So that's a good one, especially if you like those like spooky season t-shirts. They have Hello Kitty. They have a ton of Hello Kitty stuff in right now too for Halloween. They also have like some costume options. At first I thought this was for your pets, and I was trying to figure out how the pet gets in, but it's a hat, like uh, I don't want to say it's a mask because it's like real big at the bottom. I don't know, but they have that. They have other masks that you can grab. A lot of the wrestling like ones that you can grab, and they're like other characters. They have like half masks. They have just a bunch of different things right now. They have slime. They were not done unpacking this, but they do have like slime that you can grab. They have things to make like cute little costumes or cute little looks. So they have sunglasses that you can pick up, and they have them from like retro theme to like more like Halloween costume type theme. They have these, I think these glow in the dark, they little gloves. They have the makeup stuff. So everything for the makeup. They have like the eyeshadow palettes. They have even cute little brushes and stuff. They have things for your nails. So if you want to do those sticker nails, they have those. So you can just put those on and it's like an instant nail polish. They have the press on nails that you can grab and a bunch of different prints for the Halloween season. So yeah, a lot of great beauty products right now at Five Below for Halloween. And then this right here is for the pets. So they do have a lot of costumes for the pets in right now. And they have them in most of the sizes. So they had from like extra small to like bigger. They have craft kits that you can do with your kids. They just have, like I said, like a ton of things right now for that holiday season. And alongside the costumes, if you're not into dressing your pup up or for the holiday, they do have other things. So they just have like, things for those cooler nights that you might want to grab. They have toys for the pups. That one right there is a 2-in-1, and then it has like kind of like a little skeleton head there. They have socks. You can get socks for the your pup and socks for yourself that match. And they had a few different sets of those that you can grab. Like I said, they have sweaters. They just have all kind of stuff. So if you don't want to do the costumes, they have the coats back out. My dog has a coat from Five Below that she still has for the longest time. It was like a pink corduroy coat. Um, and it works really well for her. They have just a bunch of cute little things, little sweatshirts and stuff like that. So, like I said, they have them in all the sizes at my Five Below. They have decorations for outside or inside, wherever you want to put these. So this is like the skeleton, but with the jack-o'-lantern head. So it has like the little skeleton parts, and it's supposed to light up. It said try me, but I couldn't get it to light up. But I think the light comes out of the eyes there. They have this skeleton right here, and I think this falls a little bit longer once you untie it from how it is. So you can grab that. Like I said, they have the Hello Kitty stuff. So they have the Hello Kitty and the little Halloween costumes. They have more too. Cost more t-shirts. These little backpacks right here, I just thought were cute. So if you're looking like for a little mini backpack, and they have like cute characters and stuff on those right there. Beauty finds. I always think these are cute because they look like a little book, but then you open them up. I wish it had a mirror in it though. These don't have like the mirror in it, but they are still cute, and they kind of have like fall colors in those palettes right there. They have other little palettes too. These are more like, they look more kiddish to me. This right here I thought was cute. So it's a dipping bowl. So I didn't want to tear the thing off, but I'm assuming it has two different sides, and you put the dip on one, the chips on the other, and they had it in those two different prints there. I thought that was nice. This cutting board, we've seen it before, but just cute. So they have a lot of little cute like home stuff. The noodle bowls, they've had those out for a while. This sushi kit, I thought it was cute. So make your own sushi set. I don't know if it has like that roller thing you need in there, but it has like the little plates and stuff. These, they've had these for a while. So you can get 42 pieces of like the Tupperware kind of storage. I just started getting like stones and stuff like that. So I'm like into that now. So I don't know if they've always had these at Five Below or if this is new, but they had a few different sets. They have the one that's on the little chain already. So yeah, if you like crystals and the stones and different things like that, they have those. These storage bins. I don't remember. Did they always come in a pack of two, or was it a pack of one? I don't know. But they have them in a pack of two for the cubes, the collapsible ones. They had those. It, you have to make sure you get all your parts because they weren't organized in a good way. Doormats, they have those. These are like the instant burner trays, but these will make cute trinket trays too. And I think these are like $4 for these right here. So if you're looking for some little trinket trays, you might want to check out that section, or you can get them as instant burner trays. Those right there are $3 for these, and they had like different prints, different sayings on them, more of the little stones. So yeah, you might want to check out like that little area right there. They had new LED lights. I don't think we saw these. The snail, the little cat. I think we saw like the UGG and the other ones. But I'm not sure we saw the snail one or the cow boot one. But maybe we did, but I don't think we did. This little dumpling LED lamp I thought was so cute, and the little toaster one. So it's just a little lamp, so it lights up, what have you, and stuff. And then they have the other ones that they had before. I'm not sure if we saw it in black. I know we definitely saw it in white. This little mirror right here, in case you missed that one. So it has like that holographic look to it. They still have all the little hooks in. These throw blankets, I thought they were pretty too. And they kind of gave me like a little boho type vibe, Western native type vibe. But they had them in a few different colors. They had like a little fringe on the bottom there. And then you see they have like just a good mix of colors on them. And they're about 50 by 60 inches. And they are acrylic, polyester, and wool. So it's about 11%, I think, of the wool. And it says hand woven. But I thought those were great. I think they're about $12. I don't know. They don't mark the stuff good, but I mean these blankets right here, they're either $10 or $15 for those right there. And then this table right here. So it's a nice little small compact desk. And I think that one right there is $20. They still have that little Roomba $25 for that. I've never really looked, well, I haven't in a long time, looked at their phone cases. So they had these cute phone cases I thought were cute. So they had the Swedish Fish, the chip one, and these are for the iPhone 13 and 14. This one right here is super cute with the little cowgirl boot, little boba tea one. Yeah, they have some really cute phone cases. Packs of socks. The Hello Kitty, so you'll get five in that right there, and it's just like the little ankle socks. They have oh, my brain is not working right now. Rugrats. They have Rugrats. They have those right there. I think these are all Little Mermaid, like so all in the Little Mermaid theme. These right here, so you'll get different characters, different scenes in those. They have regular ones too, just regular prints that you can grab, but a ton of great socks right now. They have the Halloween pajamas. I'm thinking because these don't really go together that they are matching bottoms and tops to these pieces, but these are $5 for those. These sweatshirts right here, these are like a lightweight sweatshirt. So, but they have these right here, and they had the shorts that I love. I think these shorts are such just a nice little toss and like around the house, maybe if you want, or toss and go. I think these are like baby tees. First, I thought they were kid tees. I'm not 100% sure because of the arms. The arms look extra tight. But $5 for those right there. There's another little kit. So they have like this little nail kit right here. And you can see it has like the powder that everybody's using now, that like glitter powder. So if you want to grab that, and it has like all those different color nail polishes, these cute little clear makeup bags. So you can use these to organize and stuff. And then they have cute little sayings on those right there. So yeah, a ton of cute little beauty finds. And Halloween finds more this web right here, so you can grab that. And they had it in black, and then they had it in white, and it was like kind of thick too. $5 for those. These little mini pinatas. So they had the jack-o'-lantern, they had the candy corn one, $3 for those. Super cute. I thought those were cute. More of the Hello Kitty stuff. So they have more of the Hello Kitty in like different costumes, and then different characters from like the cartoon. They had those, and those were super cute. I told my daughter about them. She was like, "Why didn't you grab them?" I was like, I didn't know which ones you want, because she has like certain characters that she does like. These little cups I thought were cute too. So $2 for these. And it has a little straw in there too. So it's like a little skeleton kind of figure there, and it's like tall. So yeah, I thought those were cute. They came in those two colors. They have these little toys right here, these little dog toys. So they had just different ones. $1. That's not bad at all for those. They had a ton of socks. So $1 for the regular size socks, and then $2 for the knee-high socks. That was me just like searching for some knee-high socks because I like a good knee-high sock. And they were so cute for $2. Just really cute for the season. The colors were pretty and stuff. So if you're a sock lover, you might want to grab those. They had the little pinwheels, 4.25 for those. And they were just nice prints on those too. And then they had these throw pillows. I'm not gonna say I liked every one of them. This one's cute, and you could turn it around if you don't like the jack-o'-lantern. This one, I didn't like that I could see the stitching on it, but I thought out of the three, this one right here was the best one. So the little pet skeleton one, I thought that was the best one out of the three. So yeah, you might want to check out your Five Below, see what they have in right now.